My dear students, today is Wednesday. Today, you all are assembled for your online classes. You know that due to COVID 19, still our school is closed. So, this is only the option to do the studies regularly. So, student, please be punctual for your online classes. Today, Namita Singh is going to take your SST class. Today's topic is chapter 12 and topic conquering distances. This is the new chapter. Today I am going to give a small introduction about this chapter. Before starting the chapter, I would like to show you some clips and I would like to explain about conquering distance, so your concept should be clear about this chapter. So students, please see the clips of your chapter. In first clip, see the slide social studies. In next, you can see conquering distances. Conquering distances transportation. Student, I want to ask you a question that what is the meaning of conquering distances about transportation? Simple, the meaning is that conquering distances means people travel from one place to another place for according to their demand. Like some peoples want to roam here and there for to see the beautiful places around the India or around the world. Some people do transportation according to their profession. Some peoples go here and there to fetch the jobs. Some peoples go here and there to meet their parents according to the festivals or according to their needs. So, students, in this chapter, you will know about the transportation, why the people do transportation. In this picture, you can see the picture. The picture is based on the transportation. In this picture, it shows that in the beginning, when people are not civilized, they used horse for their transportation. After some time, they used ship for their transportation, boat for their transportation. After that, they used motorcycle, bicycle, scooter for their transportation. Then, after they started using buses, motor cars, and after that, they started using helicopter, aeroplane, etc. So students, please come to see the next clip. Here you have got some. In this picture, you will see the buses, the metro trains, the aeroplanes, the simple trains, then ship, and then you can see the buses also. Come to the next clip. In this clip, you can see the that all the transportation is based on the wheel. So, in this chapter, after explaining page number 17, when we will reach on page number 78, then I will explain you about the wheels, that how wheels help us for our transportation. In this picture you can see the picture of wheels. The wheels are used for different means, like in the starting the people pull rickshaw based on wheel, and after that animals started pulling, and after that horses started pulling, and then when the inventions come, trains are based on wheel, and then cars and buses, all things are based on wheel. So in next page you will read about the development and discovery of wheels. Now student, see the different pictures based on wheel, like car, motorcycle, bicycle, scooter, minibus, bus, lorry, train, helicopter, rocket, ferry, boat, etc. Now student, let's start the chapter. Your chapter is chapter 12, Conquering Distances. Now please take out your pencil and start underlining the hard words. First, I would like to read the lines. Go to a railway station and you will see thousands of people with bags, suitcase and briefcase rushing in or out of the railway stations. Underline the word suitcases, briefcases, thousands, railway station. Go to the bus stand and you will see people waiting for a bus. Waiting. You will find a similar condition at an airport and port. In this paragraph, you know that people are moving here and there for their destinations. The questions rises that where are these people going? People travel from one place to another for different reasons. Many people visit their family members to get together to celebrate festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Eid, Chhat, Guru Parv, etc. Some people migrate to other cities or countries for better jobs, education, and business. They travel to meet the member of their family or to attend family functions. Like this, students, you came to know the reason of the people moving one place to another place for different means, like for the celebrate festivals together, or to migrate, or to find jobs, or do good business in other countries, or for good education, or to attend the family functions. Now come to next paragraph. These days thousands of people travel within the country and abroad to visit the places of interest like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Hawa Mahal, etc. Sea coast are favorite places for people who love swimming and water sports. Underline swimming, water sports, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Hawa Mahal, etc. In this paragraph, students, you came to know that now these days people take more interest to visit, or they are interested to see the different places of India or abroad. Now there is a fashion to roam here and there, because when people became monotonous, they want to free and they want to do the excursions. So for the excursion, they visit here and there. Now, see the last para. Now people can travel anywhere and in any way they want depending on the time and money that they want to spend. They can travel by bus, car, train, metro, aeroplane, ship, boat, etc. In this last paragraph, here is explained that in early periods, when the means of transport is not developed, then people cannot roam from one place to another place for long to cover the long distance. But now these days, the means of transport is developed, the roadways are developed, the airways, roadways, trainways are developed. So, due to development, we can use any means of transport according to our pocket to travel from one place to another place. Like this student, the page number 77 is explained. I have explained page number 77, and now I will provide you some homeworks for coming of these chapters. So students, please see the homeworks and write it in the CW copy and learn it. This is your homework. Please see the screen. Today I will explain you, name them. Number 1, two types of houses. Answer is bungalow and hut. Number 2, two houses that we can move. Answer is caravan, houseboat. Number 3, two people who help in building a house. Answer is mason and engineer. Number 4, two types of materials that used in permanent house. Answer is cement and bricks. Number 5, two types of material that are used in temple. Mud and straw. Two types of material that are used in hut, not temple. Here temple is written by mistake. So your answer is mud and straw. Come to the next. Next question number 6. Two Rs of garbage disposal. Answer is reduce and reuse. Number 7. Two diseases that can spread from open garbage heaps. Answer is cholera and malaria. Number 8. Two authorities responsible for garbage removal. Answer is panchayat and municipality. Number 9. Two things that we use to keep our house clean. Answer is broom and phenyl. Now come to next homework. Your next homework is hard word. See the hard word. I have mentioned 20 hard words. Please write it and learn it by heart. Number 1, direction. Number 2, microphone. Number 3, invention. Come to next. Number 4, instrument. Number 5, position. Number 6, assembly. Number 7, exact. Number 8, cardinal direction. Number 9, cellar. Number 10 is aeroplane, and number 11 is movement. Come to the next. Number 13, condition. Number 14, cloud. Number 15, building. Number 16, reference. Number 17, magnetic compass. Number 18, fortune. Number 19, course. And number 20 is locate. Now students, your homework is also finished, and I hope that today you understand the first page of your new topic, concurring distance. Again, we will meet on coming Saturday. So, goodbye. Thanking you.